Today is a special edition of Wild in the Kitchen, and I'm here with Chef Jim Kyndberg from Fire Lake Grill House and Cocktail Bar. And Chef Jim, we are truly doing a field-to-table dinner tonight because you and I were doing some duck hunting at Watson's hunting camp with the ladies.
Yes.
So it's ladies' weekend.
Great weekend.
We invited you along, of course,
thank
and
you.
now we are going to cook the fruits of our labor.
Yes, we have some amazing fresh duck. We shot a bunch of teal this morning. I've done a quick little marinade, teriyaki, maple syrup, very simple camp recipe. We're gonna cook them over charcoal grill.
Awesome, well let's get started.
All right.
So it looks like our coals are nice and hot.
Yeah, you notice they're all covered in gray. That's exactly what we're looking for. That's gonna give us a nice radiant heat to cook over.
And I'm noticing you're putting those skin down.
Exactly, because I don't want them to flare up.
So how long are these on the grill?
You know, probably a maximum of about 10 minutes, depending upon your temperature. You do not want to overcook wild game. So we want that skin to render down, get it nice and crispy. The last minute, we're probably gonna flip that over, give that other side just a little bit of cook to it, and it should be about medium rare, medium when it's all done.
So how are we gonna serve this duck?
Well, since I'm cooking for the ladies who hunt tonight, we had to keep it healthy, very nutritious. We've got a little quinoa salad, a little edamame, a little braised greens, and we're gonna tie in the same flavors that we marinated the duck breast.
Love it.
So we're gonna start off with a little bit of olive oil with a little bit of fresh minced ginger and garlic. And Laura, I don't know how spicy you like it, but there's some red chili flakes over
Let's add
there.
a little spice, so the girls like it hot.
There you go, keep it spicy.
And our next ingredient is edamame.
Edamame. We've got a little chicken stock and a little of that maple teriyaki glaze. In advance, I made a little quinoa pilaf, so pour in about 1/4 of that. Healthy greens, so there's some spinach, there's some kale, there's some arugula, there's some Swiss chard, some beet greens. Toss all those right in there.
Check on our duck.
We should check on the duck. Look at that. So you see the skin is nice and crispy. It cooked through nice and juicy. I think we are ready to go to the plate.
Look at that. All right, I think I know the secret to girls' hunting weekends. It's bring along a private chef.
Yes.
Something so simple could be so gourmet at hunting camp. And going from the wetlands to our table tonight, as they say, it's wildly delicious.